Ever wondered if your gardening methods are sustainable or if they could be improved? Embracing sustainable gardening practices can have a profound positive impact on our environment. Stay tuned to discover 7 ways to make your gardening routine more sustainable. Kickstarting our list are the first 3 sustainable practices. First up, composting, a natural way to enrich your soil while reducing food waste. The second technique is water conservation. Consider using rainwater collection systems to reduce water wastage. Lastly, plant native species. These plants require less water and are more resistant to local pests. Implementing these practices can significantly reduce your garden's environmental footprint. Continuing with our list, here are 2 more sustainable gardening practices. Fourth, consider using organic fertilizers. These are not only safer for your plants, but they also have a significantly lesser impact on the environment. Moving on to the 5th technique, we have integrated pest management. This method involves using natural predators to control pests in your garden, offering a green alternative to harmful pesticides. These practices not only promote a healthier garden, but also a healthier environment. To wrap up our list, here are the final 2 sustainable gardening techniques. First on the docket, we have crop rotation. This isn't just for large-scale farmers, you know. By changing the location of your plants each season, you prevent soil depletion and disrupt pest cycles, maintaining a healthy and vibrant garden. Secondly, let's talk about reducing plastic use. It's easier than you think. Swap out those plastic pots and tools for biodegradable alternatives to reduce plastic waste. It's a win-win for you and the environment. Incorporate these 7 practices into your gardening routine to promote sustainability. Remember, every small step counts towards making a big difference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.